Hello students, we have finished two topics, definition of democracy and features of democracy, and in this video we will be discussing about the merits and demerits of democracy. As you can see here, there are different students who are having different opinion about the democracy. One student is of the opinion that countries that were not democratic earlier are becoming democratic nowadays, and all the great people have said nice things about the democracy. Other student has the opinion that if people have said nice things about democracy, should we accept just because they have said that, or the great people have said that. The third one is of the opinion that if someone has accepted it, isn't it possible that everyone is following a wrong path? And actually, if for 7 decades democracy is there in our country, then why is there so much poverty? So we come across to the next discussion where one student is saying that democracy is all about chaos, instability, corruption, and hypocrisies. Politicians fight among themselves and they do not care for the country. One student is of the opinion that the country needs a strong leader who does not bother about elections and parliament, who have all the power and should be able to do whatever is needed in country's interest. That alone can remove corruption and poverty from this country. Then someone shouted, it will be called dictatorship. Then in this manner, the discussion was going on and they did not reach to any point. Then the madam who was listening to this discussion stepped in and she said that she was delighted to see all the students arguing so passionately. We can't say who is right and who is wrong, and this will be settled by the student themselves. But one thing is for certain, that everyone should speak their mind. If you feel that anything is bad, if someone tried to stop you or someone punished you for saying what you felt, then this such type of country will not be a democratic country, and that is not a good argument for democracy.